We're back. Good morning again. All right. Seems like the news took out some levels, so that's gonna be interesting. All the way, I think it will be a bullish day so far. That's what I think. We have this bearish order block on the 1 hour chart. Starts at 575. So that is going to be a 1 hour bearish order block. I'm gonna put this right there, and this 1 hour fair value gap. This doesn't really matter. All right, so liquidity has been taken and we're waiting for the market to open and show us a clear direction. I think this one still wants to go according to 1 hour time frame and higher. So let's see. I'm extremely bullish for this New York session so far, but we'll see. Ultimate target would be 575, so let's see the levels up there. Let's see those levels up there. $575. Okay, so that's what I think it will go. This is the 1 minute candle, so let's see. The market is officially almost open. Everything has been delayed. All right, spiked higher a little bit on the 1 minute. Almost took out the high at 67. Back to the 50s. Back to the 50s, so nothing special for now. Let's watch the 5 minute. Do we have some targets down there? The news candle was this one. Have some good levels. I would say the next sell side liquid target would be down here at 285 as a low hanging fruit. But we can also continue up to the 70s, which it does. All right, let's wait for it. So, what's up, everybody? What you guys are up to? Any trades so far? Let me know. Let me know. Faz is here. Hey, Faz Futures, what's going on? What is going on, Faz? I'd like to see this go higher, to be honest. Not sure though. That this is gonna go up, down, up. No, it's gonna go right. You know, it's gonna go right. It always goes to the right, you know. Anyway, let's check the 1 minute. If I catch a 1 minute fair value gap about, so yeah, we should be going above the 400s if this is a bullish scenario. If not, then we might just gonna fall here, and I just don't know how far. Next sell side liquidity would be a 285. On the 15 seconds, it's repricing a level here, but nothing special. I guess we'll see. What is going on? What is going on? What is going on? Waiting for displacement, to be honest. I still want to figure out which account to trade this morning. Maybe it's going to be this one. Not this one. Not this one. Yeah. Let me update my copy trader. Let's update the copy trader. All right, so far nothing. All right, just sideways movement, guys, just sideways movement. Nothing special. No direction. Do we have any news? Nothing's left for today. No major news events, so it could be just going sideways, I think. All right. Just waiting for displacement. If it closes above this 82 or this 73 with a displacement and with the gap, I might jump in. So I'm gonna wait. Maybe there's gonna be something here. All right, this is what we were waiting for. The move to the upside. All right. Wait for this candle to close and we will decide what to do. We do have a nice fair value gap still. So it can go. If it goes. If not, that's all right too. It's not going. Hey, Holy Grail. Tom, it goes down to the 100 as I told you this morning. I told you. But as usual, you didn't take it. Hey, man. Still, you told it, you know, you called it out. You called it out earlier, so that was a nice call. That was absolutely a nice call there. All right. It feels to me that it still might want to go higher. Anyway, I took a long position. And I might going to hold it up to the 450s. If I can, let me show you guys. Where is it? Where is that? Not here. Oh, here is it. So here's the trade. I would still like this one to go higher, and I might even adjust my my take profit level. So I'm looking for the 450s at this moment, but yeah, I might have been a little bit too early on this. You would have guessed the opposite. Yeah, that usually happens. Well, this is just with one micro. I'm risking about $100 ish. So if it goes down, it goes down. But still, I'm wondering if this trade can build up some momentum, or it wants to dip lower to the news candle. Maybe it wants to. I really thought that this is going to be a continuation to go higher above the 400s. But it doesn't seem like that this is going to happen right now. On the 5-minute, there is a nice liquidity level at 285. That would be my sell side target if it would start to go down. Obviously, then I have to close my position maybe earlier or wait for my stop loss to get hit. Yeah, that might be the case. 285, 285. Yeah, let's see. Online safety dude, what's going on? Good to see you, man. What is happening? What is happening? You know, I was pretty much married to the idea on the 1 hour that we can go higher into this not too perfect order block here. So I thought, you know, why not? The 450s are still there in the middle. If I look at the mid-level, it's 428. Well, at 428, maybe I should put it to break even. If it goes up. Dominic, hey there, welcome. How you doing, Dominic? Good to see you, man. Today I'm on the wrong moves and still live the day. Hey, you know, if you were offside and you're still surviving the day, that's a skill. Yeah, the 400 level near, not easy to analyze. Yeah, I was looking at the 1 hour, and that's why I decided that it could be still a little bit more bullish. We had some shift in structure, and I just thought that, you know, this could be a nice recovery mode for Nasdaq. So if you zoom out the 1 hour chart like this, I think you can also realize that, you know, getting above these levels right here is an absolutely good target, I think. At least that's what I would do. You're pausing in work? All right, take a break there. I'm waiting for the perfect entry for my funded account. I haven't placed a trade. All right, let's go. Well, patience is the key, and not just patience, but, you know, spotting out the best opportunities and waiting for your entry, basically, whatever it is. Oh, the vacation has been, yeah, I rested a bit, and tomorrow we will go for one more beach here in Hungary. So there might not be a New York stream, I don't know. There maybe will, maybe not, maybe from the laptop, but the morning London I will be here. And then next week, full throttle next week. From next week, I should say. Don Tutton is here. Hey, how's it going? Yeah, the vacation was awesome. Thank you so much. It was great. Rested, focusing now. As I just said, we're gonna have one more day tomorrow evening in my time at a lake here, and that's gonna be it. Until we're gonna stay there for the night, and we'll come back on Saturday evening. So from next week is gonna be full. Yeah, market will melt today. Could be melting. I was looking for these highs here, but, you know, it could be melting anytime. We have some very good levels down there. Actually, this has created a bullish order block on the 1 hour, so it can actually melt down pretty easy and take out the Asia low and today's low. So if that happens, I might change my bias and take a short. I'm thinking about it, actually. Okay, it's still going. If we get above the 420s, I'm just gonna put it to break even. Right now the 400 is holding the price, so maybe I should lower my risk. I'm gonna lower my risk because if it trades below 345, then we have a good chance that this is gonna drop. For now, the 400 is holding. It's all about patience. Exactly. Online safety. Exactly. For example, in my scenario right now, I have to be patient with this level. If we break through 400, then I don't think there's any stopping until 450. So this 400 is, I think, is an important level. Subham, good to see you. It will fall, he says. Let's see. Let's see. If it falls, obviously we have some very, very good levels to the downside too. I'm going to change my bias in that scenario. The 400 level is still not letting it go. Reducing my risk. I don't know if I should put this to break even or not. I think I should. 81.75. I'm gonna put it to 81.75. 82. All right, it's at break even now. I'm not saying it's life insurance here, but at least it's at break even. You're long? All right, let's go. Let's go. It will trap and go down. Could happen. Could happen. The only level we have, I mean, we have, if you look at this 1 hour fair value gap here to the left, and we put the fib tool here, it's not 100% accurate, but it's like 98% accurate. Then I would say that 32 could be a good target as the midpoint on our mid level, on our fair value gap mid level. If it wants to go there, style dash line. All right, if it goes through 432, then should be going for the 50s. Let's see what it does. Good morning, Congo. How's it going? Good to see you back. What's happening? What is happening, guys? Let's see if it wants to go into the 30s or not. little bit tempted to be honest to move my stop to trail it. If it goes into the 30s, I'm gonna trail my stop to 401 maybe. If it moves into the 30s. It might. $30. Let's see. Are we gonna go into the 30s or not? You made 100 in submission initial days and does not meet 5. Oh, why not? If I made 100 in some initial days and does not meet, if I made 100 in, if in future I achieve 5 winning days, would I get those dollars I made? Yeah, sure. I mean, whatever dollar amount you make on a certain day, it's adding to your profit. Definitely. Absolutely. No. Whatever dollar amount you make as a profit is going to be still profit. But for the payout policy, you just have to make 5 days above $100. And that's it at MyFundedFutures. But still, if you have a day like $50 or whatever, it's still fine. All right. Securing some profit here. Securing more. I'm aiming for the 50s. If it goes. Maybe I was too optimistic here. I'm gonna put my TP lower to 44.75. Securing a little bit more. Let's trail it. All right. Let's see. All right, let's see the 50s. Come on, 50s. All right, I took it manually because I hate it when it starts rejecting. All right, I made more than $100 on this funded account. So this is a funded account. And I copy traded this to another funded account. Actually, it was it was a different funded account. No, it was this. So I made another $118, and there you go, my TP. All right. And what else did I do? I also made another profit on this one. And I don't know what else. Did I trade it on my... no, I didn't trade on my Top Step account. But hey, this was fun. That was a good trade. Same in Top Step, but with $200, yes. I wish I had traded more than one. Well, I traded one micro, but I was copy trading between 4 funded accounts, so this was okay. This was okay-ish. I kind of like this trade. Actually, copy trading. Yeah, I was copy trading on Bulonox and Apex accounts. Apex, all the Bulonox accounts I was copy trading. All right. That's good. Yeah, I should trade more on the Belonox accounts. That would be better. Man, why you are not using Take Profit Trader? I am using Take Profit Trader. I just trade slowly. I'm gonna definitely. By the way, Sopham, I am going to exponentially move on to Take Profit Trader more, because on days like this, if I would make like above $250, I would. My goal is to take out. I know for some people it's like absolutely no money, but for me, you know, I would like to take out those $250 every single day. When I have a winning day, like an ATM machine, like boom, 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 take it out. Take reserve for yeah. End of day trading logics, yes. So as I said, I absolutely want to want to achieve a take profit accounts. Like if I make above $250, I just want to take it out immediately, like boom, like an ATM machine. And you take profit, dude. Yeah, no pullback for now, Bob. Welcome. No pullback. We went higher on that fair value gap. You guys just go to the 1 hour chart, and you will see that we have this level to the left. Actually, I can zoom it out and you will see. So we have this level here. I think it's very significant. I think overall there's no stop until 637. I'm not sure if it's going to happen today or tomorrow, but 637 is a very, very, very good target. Now for myself, I think 575 is the next good level. But since, as you said, there was no pullback, I want to see some structure first before it goes higher. I want to see some structure to be built up. And that's how simple. That's how simple it would be. So let's wait a little bit more. Look at that. Next level is 500. I'm telling you. We're going for that 500. This is gonna be tough, but we're going for it. Let me know what you guys are up to. We go to the moon, maybe. Also, it's the 15th, so there's an iceberg to be sold at higher prices. Oh, that's a good opinion. Oh, that actually, yeah, I can vouch for that theory. On the 15th, there is the iceberg. So we might be looking for higher prices, guys. Again, just look for the 1 hour chart. Look at this. It's just so obvious, these levels. I'll see. Good morning. Good to see you, man. How's it going? How's the trade so far? In from 169. What? Joey, you are riding the wave. 169. Dude. This is... You are riding the wave all the way up there. That's nice. That is very, very nice, man. Congrats. All right, shifted structure right now. Honestly, I'm not sure if this one is going to turn to bearish at this moment, so gotta be careful with the shorts, especially because we have the 500 level above. Every 15 there's an end of contracts validity, and they expire before their expiration. They need to sell all of them, so their primes are yeah. The pool of liquidity. So maybe buy the pullbacks, I guess. How about that, guys? Buy the pullbacks and aim for the 1 hour bearish order block up there. All right, let's wait. Let's wait a little bit more. I think it might be building some structure here. Stopped out. Minus 38 points in profit. Oh, sorry. Okay, 38 points. Sorry, I thought minus. Online safety. That's nice. 38 points. I take it any day. I take 38 points any day. Even with the micro. That's good. I still don't trust the bearish moves. I think it could be just a liquidity sweep. Maybe lower into this 402 area. I just don't see that momentum building up. On the charts. I don't see the momentum. Of course it could go, but we'll see. Small structure here. Let's see if it wants to build a displacement above 435. It just might. It just might. But I don't see anything that I like here. Nothing that I like. Send me PM. Let me check. Oh, nice. I see that. S&P there. Oh yeah, we're inside that range. Nice. Nice, Dominic. Let's see what happens. Only Marty know what happened in yeah, in the market. Yeah, I have no idea what just happened, by the way, here. It's just, you know, unplugged totally. I thought you're referring to Marcos for a brief moment, but as Marty, I don't know. I mean, I guess not Marty from the Back to the Future. I thought you were referring to Marcus. I don't know where he is. Alright, look at that. If it's going to shift lower, before I take any trade to the short side, I want to see a clear shift below 406. If it's not going to happen, I'm going to still stay bullish. Yeah, Back to the Future. All right. Back to the Future, one of my favorite movies of all time. Closing about 436. 433 now. Yeah, it's not gonna shift structure here. So I'm not trusting either direction right now. I need a shift below 405, and I need more structure here to consider going long. We still have the news candle down there, and we have a liquidity void on the mini. There's nothing on the micro. Well, it's not that big a deal, but careful. No, we just have to wait. It's all about patience. Rick and Morty, almost. Rick and Morty is actually, of course, the unconfirmed copycat of Back to the Future characters, Marty and the Doc. But yeah, I like Rick and Morty is great. Any specific structure on Nvidia? Well, we can check on Nvidia, but oh wow, look at that. 15-minute going higher. Let's check the 1 hour. I think the 1 hour still wants to go, to be honest. I think Nvidia wants to take out these highs above 120, 169, so that's bullish. That's gonna be bullish for Nasdaq too, but no specific structure here. News candle was repriced, is going higher, so NQ should be staying bullish. Yeah, look at that. Look at this. shifting higher again, and the order block is at 575. Are we gonna go higher? It looks like it. It looks like it wants to go higher. Let's see. What's gonna happen with this fair value gap? Is it gonna get closed or what? Okay, I got taken into a position. I'm long from 43.75. My target would be way up there in the 500s. All right. Let's see where this one wants to go. All right. You know, buy high, sell low. That's what I like to do. You know what? Maybe. No, I don't know. Oh, it's fine there. If it wants to go higher, then obviously, well, it doesn't want to go higher. But if it's not going higher, then we need a shift to the downside. And if that happens, I need some good targets if it's shifting to the downside. We have 5-minute fair value gaps. Let's see if this one has the momentum to go there, to those highs. The theory that Dominic said is actually good. You're done for the day. Let's go, online safety. Let's go. Profit is profit, you know. That's all that matters. I think... yeah, so we might see some shift here. Yeah, look at that on the 1 minute. Not good. But if it's shifting, I still want to see a shift below 405. If the 500s are not the target. It just feels weak now. It might take the elevator down if it can't hold. If buyers can't hold it, then maybe this is it. I just felt like this might want to go once more to the highs. Yeah, it's not going. It's not going, unfortunately. Feels weak. And now it feels like it just wants to go back down again and reprice some lows. So I don't really like it. I might have to reduce some risk. on this one. Cut the loss as early as I can. And let's see what else is here. Still in the kill zone, but I feel like it's just a little bit tired to move higher. The bulls are just, I don't know. Maybe I close it. If it gives me one more push, then maybe I'll just move my stop. Let's see if it, yeah, there you go. I don't like this, guys. I don't like this. Reducing my risk. It should push into the 50, I mean up to the 60s maybe, but above 58. If it does that, I might put it to break even. No. All right, I'm closing it. I just don't feel the momentum. I closed it, guys. Early close. I got cold feet. And this trade was also on a funded account. I did not want it to give back. I was expecting a faster move to the upside. It's just, I feel like the bulls are trying to fight, but you know, the sellers are still there. The bears are pushing it. So I decided to close it. Maybe it's gonna go up anyway. I just did not want to give back more profits to the market. It's just engineering the liquidity now. Still bullish. TACT, yeah, it's still bullish, man. Maybe I'm gonna have some FOMO after this, but hey, I'm not complaining. I made good profit on my funded accounts. I copy traded the previous trade, so I just, you know, look at this go. Still going. The FOMO is real. My target was the 550s, 545-ish level. Should have just moved it to break even, right? I got cold feet. Decided to close it. Yeah, it's still bullish, but I just don't see that strong momentum happening. It might just gonna take the stairs slowly above the 500s. It might. But, you know, it can just go down with the elevator any second. So if any one of you guys are in a long position, I think it would be best to reduce risk and maybe put it to break even, secure some profits, whatever. Because, you know, the way it moves slowly, it feels like it can take the elevator any moment. And maybe sweep some more liquidity below 405. That's why I was a little bit skeptical here. And I closed the trade. Good morning again, Alicia. How's it going? Good to see you, man. Hope you get some good trades. Look at this, man. I exit the position and it just goes into my way. Some FOMO here, but not too much. Just a little bit. Not too much, just a little bit. Yeah, it's going higher. It's just going higher. Minute close coming. Yeah, we'll see what it does. Again, look at the 1 hour, guys. The 1 hour is, to me, this level is like a huge magnetic level. Like right there. That's why I think we should go above the 500. Jump in now and get smoked. I'm not gonna jump in now. I'm definitely not gonna jump in now. But I still believe we should go above the 500. I think there's one more scenario. It goes slowly up the stairs and just skyrockets one more into the fair value gap, or takes the elevator down, sweeps liquidity below 405, builds up some structure, and then continues higher. So I want to wait for that possible elevator if we have it. Let's see that liquidity sweep and we will know. 2 minutes left for range to complete. Yeah, let's see. Look at that. Going into that 500. New daily high. Let's go. All right. New daily high. Now comes the decision. I think it should be pushing above 500. Let's wait for it. I'm not trusting this structure shift here. Even if it goes down here and sweeping liquidity. I mean, no. I just can't trust it right now. Let's look at the 5-minute. We have some swing lows here, but the only level I would say is important is this 5-minute fair value gap down here. So I'm going to extend it right there. That would be the only level I would be interested in if it's shifting structure. Oh, I forgot to read that. Online safety trade 2 got in at 428 and out at 446. Oh yeah, that was a nice move. Nice one. It's still building up some momentum. I think it's just building up positions to break the 500. Building up those positions to break that 500. I know it's a little bit it's gonna be frustrating right now to wait for this. But we should be doing this or just accumulating and doing this. These are the two possible scenarios, of course. But if it goes down, I still want to see a clean structure shift. Interesting though, ICT was saying something about those days or sessions when there is no major news driver. So the news are over. So when there's no news, nothing, then the algorithm can do its job, right? That would be the theory. Now, if we look at algorithmic price delivery, then it should be logical, I mean, for the algorithm to push it all the way to these highs. And because we don't have any other news, this session, I would say that that actually confirms our bullish theory. So yeah, interesting. Anyway, did I tell you guys to push the like button? Help me if you can, push the like, help out the stream with a like, and let's push it to the moon. I'm not going to re-enter this position, although I exited early, but I just don't see the momentum right now. I just don't see the momentum that's needed for this trade. Maybe I should have stayed in this, the earlier trade, to ride this wave all the way up to the 500s, but now I just can't. I have to wait for some momentum to kick in. Let's go, let's go. Shoulda, woulda, coulda. And we arrived to 500. We arrived finally. We are at 500. So what the hell is gonna happen now? Who knows? Who knows? Oh god, we're stuck here. I feel like we're stuck here. Feels like loneliness. Loneliness and emptiness here right now. A little bit slow. We still have some time from the kill zone, but was this the move to bring everything to 500 and just leave it? Just leave it like this? I feel like there's There's nothing else here to. I mean, I'm waiting for a structure shift, a continuation, or liquidity sweep lower, but NQ has to give some grip here. All right. I mean, overall today was a good day. Today was a good day. Let me see. I made 60, 131, 260, 380, 480, 500-ish. I made a little bit more than $700 on funded accounts, so I'm not complaining. That is actually a good day for me. Of course, across the board. My best funded account, I made 200. The other ones, I made 160-ish. Seven money bag, yo, hey, I had a power net 20 minutes ago. My TP 7 points profit. Hey, let's go. Congratulations. Nice trade. It's a little bit of a slow day, to be honest. It's taking the stairs and I'm just waiting if it's gonna take the elevator, but there's nothing I like here. Honestly, guys, there's nothing here that I like. And the kill zone is almost getting over here. But we're gonna wait. 4K profit. Dude, I hope nobody else minds, but I have to give you an applause for that. 4K profit, congratulations. And for everyone who made money, by the way, or profit. That's nice. That is nice, man. $18 minutes left. Honestly, I feel like that the New York AM session move is done. What I would expect after 11 AM is that maybe liquidity sweep lower and maybe then pushing it once more to the upside. That is something I would like to see. That would make some sense. But who knows? Yeah. And gotta be honest with you guys, yesterday I drove 1100 kilometers, so more than 1,000 kilometers yesterday. My guess is gonna do a McDonald's price action. Yeah, so yesterday I drove more than 1,000 kilometers and I arrived home at 2 AM in the morning, so during the middle of the night, and I'm a little bit tired and coffee is not helping me. I drove. Yes, I'm sorry, online safety. I drove 1,100 kilometers. And I'm a little bit tired. I slept only like 2 or 3 hours, and yeah. Outside is more than 100 degrees Fahrenheit. And it's just 300 points, no way it goes higher. Well, I do like the 575 level. That's like a 1 hour bearish order block entry level. That would be my target for the day if we're gonna keep on moving bullish. For now, it seems like the 500 level is holding. So I guess we'll see. A little bit of a slow price action. Maybe I'm gonna fall asleep. Who knows? The microphone stand is not holding my head. It's not holding it. Alright, good night, everyone. Ah, no. It's not doing the thing that it should move. We want to trade. We don't want to wait for this. If I see a strong displacement, obviously that would be great. Look at the 5-minute. It's just moving higher, but I still think that 575 is the target. I'm just not sure if it wants to do it today or tomorrow, but should do it. Should do it. And by the way, if anyone is new, my payout got approved from Apex. So after 14 days, only 14 days, my payout got approved. So I'm super happy. Requested the payout on the 1st of August, and yesterday on the 14th, I got my email that I got approved. So I only had to wait 14 days. Thank you, Dominic. And don't tell this to anyone, but I did DCA. But don't tell this to anybody. Only once I actually DCA'd. Once I DCA'd. I added 3 or 4 times, I don't even remember, to the trade because I fat fingered the button I was scalping anyway. So I DCA'd and I got approved. Of course, the money is not on my account yet, so well, it should be there. I'm not concerned. So don't forget to like the video. Oh yeah, there you go. Thank you, Dominic. So it was, so Apex paying YouTubers, that is confirmed. Otherwise, I don't know. Viox, it took me, so let me say this from the start. The account reached the $2,600 threshold in July 22, so last month. I stopped trading on it and requested the payout on the 1st of August because that's the first time you can request the payout, because I just passed the request period. So I requested it on the 1st of August and I got approved yesterday after 14 days. And I guess the transfer should be happening next week, which means it took 30 days for Apex to pay me out. I mean, it's not on my account yet, but 30 days, guys. Because but it's mainly because I reached the payout threshold right after that payout request period. So I was waiting for 1 month. Well, it's gonna be 1 month. And to reach 2600, it took 22 trading days. Actually, I can show you here. This is my first payout from Apex. I know you guys were killing the market and having payouts all over the place. I was suffering in the past few months, so this is my first payout. There you go. Here it is. 1st of August, 22 trading days. 22 trading days. So I was trading it since June, whatever. So from June, it took me 2 months to reach a payout. And I was mainly trading micros. So, but it got approved finally. Finally. But you know, guys, I'm a super slow trader. I'm like a turtle, super turtle. I think I'm one of the slowest traders on YouTube because I trade micros. So, but I don't mind because I want to build up multiple accounts, like more than 10, 15, whatever, and I'm going to group trade them in like 2 or 3, copy trade 2 or 3 funded accounts at a time, and rotate them with micros. So I should be, you know, if everything goes well, and it will, then the payouts should be, you know, constantly rotating. Turtle Tom, exactly. Exactly. You know, it's a marathon. It's a marathon. I know we have a lot of sprinters in here who are killing the market. I'm the guy in the background, you know. Start trading micros too on my, yeah, on Take Profit Trader. It's definitely a good idea to trade with micros. So don't forget, 90% will never get payout. Yes. Yeah, so let's not forget that the big number, you know, many traders, especially the ones who are kind of new in trading, 90% of them, you know, even if they get funded, it's hard to reach the payout. Now, it's a different question if they get denied or not because of the rule breaks. I don't know those percentages, how many people are getting denied or how many people are getting approved. I don't know those numbers. But we do have also, hey, don't say that, Viox, because if it's because you're because over trading or revenge trading, you know, emotions, then you can work on it. Hey there, Hansen, good to see you. So you can work on it. And anyway, I said that because it's a fact, but of course you will get a payout. Viox, I am 100% sure. You know why? I'm going to tell you real honesty. And it's not because, I mean, I'm going to tell you, you're going to get a payout because you're here. And not just here like in this stream, but you're here online. You're trying to get information everywhere. You're grinding, I know you are. And that's why you're going to reach those payouts. It's just a question of time because you're not, I know you're not giving up because I see you guys, especially the OG ones, but everybody I'm happy for. You guys are here. That is actually saying about you guys that you guys are passionate. You want this to work. And as long as you have that passion, you're going to make it. If I could make that payout, and remember this, if I, the turtle trader with micros, could reach a payout, then anyone can. Anyone can. If I could do it, anybody can. That's the truth. Always think about that. If I could reach a payout, then anyone can. Taze, hey bro, what's happening? Good to see you. How much do you risk per trade? Well, on a funded account, I usually risk about $100. Nice to see you too, Taze. I mean, usually about $100 plus minus $10, whatever. If there's a super A++, super sonic, the best of the best setup, You know, maybe I go overboard with 150 or more on a funded account. On evaluation accounts, and this is 50K accounts because I rotate the 50Ks. If this is an evaluation account, I do every kind of crazy stuff. Everything from YOLOing all the way down to just trading with 1 micro. So I do every kind of crazy thing on the evaluation account. I know it's a bad habit. Don't do that if you're not experienced or don't want to waste money on that. But I treat totally differently my evaluation accounts and my funded accounts. Although, since I'm trying to get my head around this thing, like I treat this as a business, and since this is a business, I do have to spare some costs on my evaluation accounts too. So I'm trying to tone it down on my evaluation accounts, not to waste so much. But, you know, especially when there were some good sales with Bullanox and Apex, the cheap ones, I went crazy. That's true, Tom. That's true. If Tom made it, so anybody can. Even a 4-year, exactly, Viox. Even a 4-year-old kid can make it. If I could make it, guys, even a 4-year-old kid can make it. How much is this from your account, like percentage? Well, you know, on a 50K account, don't forget that on these funded accounts, usually you have a $2,500 drawdown limit. So, for example, at Bullanox funded account, you have, or Apex, or MyFundedFutures has the daily loss limit with the starter. But anyway, you have a $2,500 drawdown limit. Don't forget that actually that is the real account, quote unquote real because it's demo, but that's the real leverage that you're using. The rest of it doesn't matter. How much the percentage is that? $100 on a 50K account is 0.25, 0.2%. So I'm not risking 1%. That would be like $500. 0.5% would be $250. So I would say 0.2, 0.25-ish per trade. What's the fastest way to take money from the market? The fastest way to take money from the market? Well, the fastest way would be to fund your own account and trade it properly. Not like gambling, but you know, trade it properly with your own money, and you can take payouts every day, which you can do with Take Profit Trader, by the way. But fastest way, there is no fast way for this, Nissim. I think there is no fast way. The only fast way for trading the markets is insider trading, which is illegal in the stock market. You could do that, but the fastest way, there are many ways, I think. Tom, you're a very good trader. Your things is just emotion. Oh yeah. Look like calm, but you follow the emotion. Yeah. Yes, the problem with me as well, like, even if I try to look calm, I have a lot of emotion in the background, deep inside. You know, I'm struggling with all the emotions, and I'm struggling how to not show you guys or anyone how I'm struggling with the emotions. But yes, emotions is my downfall, and you guys don't see it sometimes because I hide it. I try to hide it, but when I lose, for example, 3-4 times in a row on the stream, because it used to happen sometimes, we know that. You guys don't see it, but I'm super, I'm raging inside, like F. Shortcuts leads to the bush, yeah. Oh my god, Methodical Man, guys. Huge applause for the man. Man of the hour, Methodical Man is here. The universe has blessed today with tomsabo. Oh yes, the universe blessed you guys. Guys, Methodical Man enjoying his vacation still. You know, the market makers are always checking him, like, is he on? Is he back? What's going on with Methodical Man? Until he's not coming back, the market is not going to be the same, guys. It's not going to be the same. We're just struggling here with these trades. That's cool. We see it, bro. Holy Grail says they see my emotions. Gabriel, how's it going? I bless everybody today. I bless everybody through the stream. Celebrity in the chat. Yeah. Methodical man is here. Methodical man is here. No, I think he's right now. He should be somewhere. I mean, like at the beach, or you know, I don't know where he is exactly. But he has to be on vacation or something. I don't know. He's on the beach. See, I told you guys. He's on the beach. He's enjoying the beach time. Hey man, where are you coming back next week? I hope so. Because I was on a vacation this week. Like, I was a little bit hectical, sitting next to Hustrader. Oh my god, I totally forgot to say hi to Hustrader the other day on your stream. He's rubbing your back. I'm trying to imagine how that goes. You know, Husk Trader is rubbing your back. But I don't want to imagine. Say hello to Husk for me. Awesome, man. All right. Nantucket Islands. Marta's vineyard. We are in Speedos. The problem is my imagination is too wild, you know. That's awesome. All right. That is wild. All right. All right. So by the way, guys, while you guys are here, tomorrow I'll be at the beach as well. There will be a short London stream tomorrow, and in my time in the afternoon, which is the New York AM session, I might gonna go down. There's a nice lake around here, and I might spend my afternoon there. So we'll see if there's gonna be a stream or not. This mental picture has now got my head all messed up. Yeah, you see, that's what you did. He wants you to sit. Well, you know, this mental picture now, I cannot take a trade after this. No, I can't take a trade after this. This picture, I want to forget it. Maybe I have to drink something. I don't know. By the way, guys, FYI, the kill zone is officially over, so I don't know if I want to take another trade here. Maybe there's gonna be more opportunities after, I mean, during the lunch hour or after. Alright, guys, I think this is it for me. Tom now has a boner. Alright, we have to ban this guy. We have to ban this guy. No, we're not. We like Methodical Man. Alright, I think I'm gonna call it here. We had an awesome day. Managed to make almost $800 across 4 funded accounts, almost like $160, $200 per each. So we're green all over. We're green on the evaluations. Every account is green today. So yeah, thank you. It was a good day. Everything is green. So thank you very much. Thank you so much. Thank you for the support. And guys, feel free to use my codes. tomsabo works everywhere. You know, right now, Bulonox back with the 90% sale. Take Profit Trader 50% off, I think, right now. Apex 71%, and MyFundedFutures, my favorite, but still $76 for starter account, including activation fee. Is a good price. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I'll be back tomorrow, London session as usual. I'll try to come back, Holy Grail. That's a good idea. Maybe. No promises there. I don't like to promise that. But worst case scenario, I'll be back tomorrow in London session. I don't want to give back profits to the market because today I had a great day. So I wish all the best to you guys. Profits and everything. Share the love, spread the love. That goes to Methodical Man and Haas Trader too. All right. See you guys tomorrow. Cheers, everybody.